So, for those of you who don't know, I am doing an online forgiveness workshop tomorrow, and I've just finished tweaking the last few little slides and making sure that everything is okay. And I have to say, I'm really, really happy with it. I'm absolutely delighted that I've decided to take this workshop online, because if we don't learn how to forgive, it's heavy, it's a dark place to be, it's robbing you of your energy, it feels very, very toxic, it takes up your thoughts, it fills your mind, it lets people and situations live rent free in your head, and it actually causes illness, in my opinion, when we hold all of that in our bodies. So I know the impact that this workshop had the last time. It had deep impacts the last time, and it's just marvellous that I can bring it onto an online platform. So if you haven't purchased your ticket, and if you feel like you are harbouring a resentment and harbouring toxicity and saying words like, I can never forgive them for that. If you're comfortable with that feeling, you knock yourself out, but I just know I'm not. If you're feeling that feeling, or if you know that you've spoken those words to yourself in your mind or out loud, and you're unhappy with that feeling and you want to get rid of it, finally, join us tomorrow, because it will be the last time that I'm doing it online. However, it will be for purchase in a couple of weeks for you to download. But that's down the line. So listen, you're welcome to join us, and I'm looking forward to seeing the people who have purchased tickets tomorrow. And we'll kick off at 10 a.m. sharp. I'll actually go live at about 9:45, and I'll spin into the kitchen and I'll have myself a nice cup of tea before we start. That'll give 15 minutes for people who are already in the group to find the live stream, get settled, chit chat amongst yourselves, and we'll kick off at 10. We'll finish at 12 noon. However, if you have a ticket for tomorrow and you can't make it live, don't worry about it, guys, because that group is going to be available to you for a full week. So you can watch and rewatch and take loads of notes and lean in and ask plenty of questions. The last 3 online workshops that I've done, it's great that we leave them open for a week or two, because people are chatting amongst themselves. And I'm a big believer in the shared learning. We learn more quickly in numbers than we do as individuals. So forgiveness is huge. It's my pleasure to do it. And I'll catch us all in the private group tomorrow. Take it easy. Slán.